Welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to send a message to a group on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. Whether you want to catch up with friends, organize an event, or just share something fun, messaging groups on Instagram is now easier than ever on your computer. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or your preferred app source. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Here, click on the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or speech bubble, depending on the version you have. After clicking the messages icon, a list of your conversations will appear. Scroll through this list to find the group chat you want to send a message to. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group by typing its name. Once you've opened the group chat, you'll see the conversation history right in front of you. At the bottom of the screen, there's a message box where you can type your message. Just click inside the box and start typing whatever you want to say. When your message is ready, simply click the send button, which is usually represented by a paper plane icon next to the message box. Your message will instantly be delivered to everyone in the group, and they can reply right away. And that's it. Sending a message to a group on Instagram's PC app is straightforward and quick with this new update. No need to switch to your phone if you're already working on your computer. Just open the app, find your group, type your message, and hit send. Thanks for watching. And now you're all set to stay connected with your groups on Instagram using your PC.